In this lesson, we're just going to take a look at levels and reference planes. I have some basic walls laid out here, and when you pick a wall, when you draw it, you can constrain the bottom and top to levels. Okay, in this case, the base of the wall starts at the first floor with a 0 offset, and the top of the wall is up to the second floor, which is 9 foot high, and it has a 0 offset. That means it stops at the second floor, and that's what constrains it. So if I were to zoom back here and go to an elevation marker, or maybe somewhere in your project browser you jump to an elevation, usually sections and elevations will have the labels or the levels displayed. So I can see the top of the wall stops at 9 feet, which is the second floor. If I pick this level and type in 10 feet, the level jumped up to 10 feet, and you'll see the walls did as well because it's constrained to that level. So no matter what that level is at, when I type in and change it, the walls are constrained and move to that level. Now to draw a new level, if you needed to add one, you go to your Home tab and you will find Level, and then you just go ahead and select 2 points to draw it. It'll automatically have some label on it. You can rename it. You can also pick to change the dimension, and you can also remove the level bullseye at either end. So you can drag it, you can pick it and turn on the level if you want it on both sides, or turn it back off. Okay, so that's a little bit on levels, and levels are great for constraining things or creating another plan view where you want it automatically generated. So I'm going to go ahead and pick that level and delete it because I don't need it. And I'm going to switch back to the first floor. Another item that is used often is a reference plane. It's sort of like a construction line in AutoCAD where it doesn't plot, but it helps you coordinate different things at different levels. So if I go over to you got reference plane. It'll say reference plane if your resolution is bigger, but I've got a small resolution for these videos. I pick reference plane, and I can go ahead and pick 2 points just to locate it. The thing that's nice about a reference plane is that I can select it and I can give it a name. Maybe that represents second floor ridge line, and I just wanted that as a reference plane so that when I'm laying out plumbing stacks to go up through the roof, that I want to avoid being near the ridge. So by naming that, when I pick it and I'm in a different view, these will show up in every view unless you turn them on and off. If I go to the visibility of a view and I scroll down here under annotation categories, I will find reference planes. This is how they can be toggled on and off in a view. Or they can be manually selected, right-click, and I could say hide element in view, which will hide just that one. Okay, but reference planes are very nice. You can use the alignment tool with them. They show up in every view. If I cut a section, it's going to show up vertically, and I'll know where that's cutting, vertically through my building as well. So horizontal and vertical, it's like slicing the whole building in 3D. Very good for coordination usage.